Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the function in the form f of g, where capital F of x is equal to the cube root of x over 1 plus the cube root of x. So it looks like the easiest way to do this is notice that we have a cube root of x here and a cube root of x here. So let's say our inner function is going to be g, because this composition f of g, we can write it as f of g of x. And so f, whatever it is going to be easily seen if it's taking on this cube root of x value. So if g of x equals the cube root of x, then what does f of x have to be for the composition to equal this? So we have a g of x up here, so that's an x, over 1 plus another g of x, so that's another x, right? If f of g of x results in this, if we're only taking f of x, wherever we see a g of x, we want to plug in an x. So that's how we get the cube root of x and x over 1 plus x. These are the functions, or two options for the functions that result in this composition. F of g of x equals the cube root of x over 1 plus the cube root of x.